I think because I got some bread, that's the reason why.
What should be a smart ass?
We're cleaning over there too, right there. I tried to cut that stuff, but there's a lot of bees. Good morning, guys. Anyway, guys, we're going to Costco. We're going to Costco and pick up something like bread. I have a list already, and we're not getting a lot. Hopefully, fingers crossed. My husband, and that's it. We are here. We are here. We are here. Here. It's a challenge today. Let's see if I can vlog if there's people. That's the challenge. Challenge for the day. We get a good cart today, guys. What? Where's the stove? Oh, to oven door. Oh, it's microwave. Innovation. That's 400 bucks, and that's 1,000. Yeah. Very big. What size is that?
5.7.
You getting that apple cider?
That's what we use.
Oh, see, that's a
It's not
small.
really
That's
gallon.
no,
What the hell is
that's
this?
this is small thing.
Yeah. Yeah, forget that. Not even gallons. It's like
Yeah, you get a lot of now, and I get seeds also. Seeds. I'm looking for. Oh, we probably need one of this. We don't have enough sugar. I'm looking for a pancake mix also. We don't have it in here. I have to do back.
I don't care, man.
No? What is that? No, we don't need that anymore. But this it's different one. How much?
400.
Huh?
400.
Is that the one here? This one here? That one?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's essentially the same as the one we got. Only we paid 130.
Yeah, but it's gonna ruin quick. It's nicer looking.
No, they had the one like that for the leather.
Yeah.
Instead of soft.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't want. That's why I wanted you to watch it because there's only one of the other ones left.
I like this.
You open it up and there's another cabinet behind it.
I like it. It's nice for like
It's crappy.
Hun, it's not soft. This is a nice thing.
The sleeper.
Huh? Is that a good thing? No, you
The
can't.
sleeper.
No.
Somehow this opens up.
Oh, there is a picture here. Then look. It's 600 bucks.
Oh, look. This piece goes out. This piece goes out.
Oh.
It's a nice story in there,
Yeah.
but something comes out for this.
I think it's under. Ah, that's that one. Nice.
I like it.
That's
How comfortable
nice.
is it? Easy to put away.
Yeah, it's expensive.
Okay. I'm gonna put that in the filming room or something.
My filming room, that's nice. I can have a chair and bed.
Hard to
Oh,
put
I
the bed
like
together.
this. This is what I've been looking for the kitchen.
This is nice.
Nice cut.
Big.
Nice fabric.
See, I like that because it goes away.
Yeah. It's 1,000 bucks. Where's your card? Oh, that's a nice thing.
Nice face.
Is that electric? It's better than what we have in the house. Is that real wood? No.
Probably not. Probably just, but it looks nice. I don't see a price.
No price?
I don't know. Maybe a price over there.
I really like this, guys. You like it? I really like it too. And there is a drawer here too.
Yeah.
Oh, in here, down there here too. For like a CD thing for your hard drive stuff.
Yeah, you put
This
your
is
TV
nice.
here, you put your VCR, like that.
And hard drive over
But I don't see
here.
a price anyway. Yeah, it's a junk wood. Feel it, it's not anywhere.
Well, no matter what, you can. If you buy a real wood like this, honey, it's
Well,
cost you a fortune.
I'm just saying, but I just want to know what it costs.
Can we ask somebody here?
Who's your ass?
Look at the watermelon, guys. There's a lot of watermelon. 90 bucks. 13.99 per pound. It's not worth it.
No, $6.99 a pound.
$6.99 a pound. What is that for then?
I don't know. It's like you.
Can you look what under there? Seems like it's bigger. It's more fatty too. Look,
Yeah, it is bigger, but
they're all fatty.
well, you're gonna have fat on them. This has the same. Look at this side. It's more fat on this.
But that's thicker.
There's less fat on this one.
I'm going to get my croissants also, guys. Croissants is right here. My favorite is right here. Let's get some croissants. We're finally done here, guys. We're done. And that's the part that we're shopping. I get the pink orchids. And we spend $500,000 here all the time.
$500,000.
Yeah, $500,000.
I like it $60. Alright. I didn't go out and buy anything extravagant. Yeah, alright, I bought this one for the cat. That's $60 for tuna.
Holy cow. $60 for?
Tuna. Cat. Okay.
I think because I got some bread, that's the reason why.
You should be a smart ass.
Or maybe I get the fake orchids. That's
You want to
why.
add up yourself? We'll figure it out. You want to add it up and see how much?
Sofa, guys, it's really nice. I don't know. It's better you go to Home Depot.
It actually is better.
But there's people behind you. Watch out.
Nobody behind. This
Watch out.
guy's just good.
Watch out. Watch out. What happened to that car?
She's doing the right thing. She's doing the thing open. but
Space. And the guy just keep
people are
beeping.
just annoying.
Yeah.
See, now she follows us into so fucking. I'll wait for all this traffic for what reason? I don't know what's going on up there, but obviously nothing's moving.
There is cups. I saw just the cups.
Yeah, well, there's nothing moving, so we have to go right.
Place. If you know about my
You
husband,
look online and find out.
if you know about Tommy doesn't really like furniture often. Whatever he say, he is very picky when it's come to furniture. But that thing, he like it, I like it.
Well, you know it's not good furniture, but I like the way it looks, and it'd be a nice addition to the bedroom for it's just atmosphere.
Bedroom is too small for that, hun.
No, I've been looking at the stainless steel ones online. They got they're on sale for like $200.
People, we're in the line here.
Yeah,
Why
but
you're like?
because of all these people going left, and they're not going nowhere because of whatever's happening up there. Hello,
Thomas,
Richie or Rich?
what the heck's going on with you, brother?
Same old crap. How about you, man?
Well, same old shit here. I got, more drama, but, besides that, what do you think? You're going to put it on your homeowners, right?
I don't have receipts. It'd be tough to do it.
Oh.
Well, I'll get a police report right now. Hey, the homeowner isn't going to pay unless you can produce a receipt.
Well, I don't know. There's got to be some way. That sucks, man, because you had a lot of shit in there.
I know. Fucking blows.
Did they do it in the daytime or in the?
I don't know. I came out of work. It was 11 o'clock, and then the cops had me sitting there for 4 hours.
Yeah, that's because it's not a priority.
I guess.
And they think Tom, the longer they wait, the further the criminals are away.
Yeah, well, what the hell?
Getting some pizza and we're waiting for the pizza. Look at that dog. That dog is so hairy.
You see that dog?
No.
You see the picture I thought about?
Hold on.
You know what that is.
Oh my god, that dog. Hi guys, we're on the way to other house. I told you a story already that he has an accident. Not accident, somebody, broke into his car. My husband called a police, okay? My husband called a police because he he called a police, and the police show up for I don't know how many minutes. Take them a while, and then interview this, interview that. After that, it takes a while talking to the cop, police. Police is after talking to the police, they called somebody.
Evidence collection unit.
Yeah, evidence collection unit, and oh my god, that last takes forever to just wait and wait. That was 11 o'clock, and then my husband get home what time? 4 o'clock because he's been waiting of the collection unit, whatever the unit is, and then he realized everything it's gone in his car, everything, and then he can't touch anything in the car because supposedly that collection thing will look at the car, you can't move your car, la 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 la. So my husband, he has a key in the house, a remote garage. 3 hours. After 3 hours, he decided to.
4 hours.
After 4 hours, he decided to come home because he's worried if somebody will break in the house because they have that house key and everything. Maybe you don't know if people know you or they've been following you, and then they know where you live. So that's why he been.
Mail in the car with the address on it.
Oh yeah, there is an address in the car. The mail
department. They tried to call them. They didn't get anybody answering the phones. So.
Yeah, but they called you. I said, oh, you can't do anything. Yeah, they called you after you left, and they said, oh, now we can't do it now because you moved your car. Hi guys, I am driving and I'm using my husband's phone right now, and it's standing in the cell phone holder, and it's traffic. Do you wanna see? You can't see me because the phone is not facing me. It's in the side, okay? It's in the side. Traffic. I don't really see any accident, God forbid. I don't really see any construction, but I think it's just the big truck ahead of us is driving very slow, and that's the cause. He's right there. We get a lot of stuff for him. I got something also, guys. I will tell you now what I got. Look, this is a denim sweater. Look at that, with the hood in it, and he got a lot of jeans and shirt and undies. And more undies. Hi guys, I will put you right here. Anyway, we just went out from Walmart, and we just went out over there, and also we stop here in Home Depot because we're going to get something in Home Depot. Oh my god, it's already 4 o'clock. I'm worried about the fish in the back. The salmon. Salmon is so expensive, I can't just throw it out.
This is Killer 4. I don't care what his name is, girl. Be frank, as a dentist, I know by the time a small chip or cavity starts to...
But before we go outside, first thing first. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I'm trying to cut this thing here. I'm gonna let Tommy cut this thing, guys, because I can't really cut it. There's a lot of bees over there. That one, so I'm gonna cut this thing. This is too big. That one right there. For now, I'm done outside, and I'll show you what I did. Since we got in. It's nice over there. It's cleaner now. And over here too. Kind of clean, not done yet. Garbage bag, and there's another garbage bag right here. Look at those birds. Birds, let me see if I can see them. There you go, right there. Hi birdies. We're cleaning over there too, right there. And then garbage from over here. It's so dirty. I tried to cut that stuff, but there's a lot of bees, so not done over there yet. Look, there's still dirt in there. Not done yet. I'm thinking what I'm gonna do over here. My husband still have to drive back home to the other house to be with them because no one is gonna be there, so whew. I don't even do anything. I don't wanna cook anything. Nothing. I seen this before and I like, I kinda debating if I get it or not. And then I saw it from Judy. It's Judy's Life. I saw that she has, I'm gonna wash my hand first because I've been outside touching everything. I still have to do this. Bag that and put in the freezer. This is my first time trying it, and it's not bad. Your first impression, it's very fishy. But when you keep eating it, it really tastes good. It's really good. If you go to Costco, find this one. It's $7, $7 something. I get this from Costco, guys. They have different color. I got the large one because you know me. I just like, you don't have medium. I want large. If you let me pick a large or a small one, I rather have the large one because it's very comfortable. Oh, this is medium, guys. Why is it large? It's medium. Look, it's medium. It's M. Hi, guys. It is 10 o'clock already, and I almost forgot to say goodnight to you and in this vlog properly. Yeah, I'm in the laptop right now. I am transfer all the clips to my laptop, and my husband just left a while ago, and then I have to rush up here in the room that I can edit the video and upload it for Wednesday. And yes, so anyway guys, good night, and I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hold on, I'm gonna do a shout out also. Hold on, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'm gonna do a shout out to Cora Jackman. Hi Cora, thank you sis for watching, and thank you so much sis for watching, and to all of you anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do, and I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. Bye. See you Wednesday. Bye.